Hey, good morning. Welcome to Crypto Bytes. It's Wednesday, March 3rd. Can't believe it's already March 3rd. Thank you so much for the kind birthday wishes yesterday. I really appreciate it. And thanks that I'm really glad that you like what we're doing with Crypto Bytes. A quick 5 minutes. All right. I'm already 30 seconds over. So let's get into it. We're going to talk about Bitcoin. We're going to talk about Ethereum. We're going to talk about the Abra app. All right, so let's start out with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is bouncing off the interim lows. We made a higher low on the channel. Looks like the pullback is over. Was kind of hoping we might get a pullback into the 42,000 range. Didn't happen. Why was I hoping? You say, Bill's crazy. Why is he hoping for a bigger pullback? Because if we get a bigger pullback below my orange stock to flow price estimation, the rubber band is tighter wound for the next run up. So as a result, I expect that the next run up is probably going to be in the low 60s at best. And then we may get a larger pullback, and the third 30% pullback that I expect to be into the mid 40s. If that happens in late March or early April. Again, these 30% pullbacks are exactly what I expect to see. We're going to get 6 or 7 of them at a minimum, in my opinion, on the next run, potentially to 150,000. We'll see. Okay, so that's Bitcoin looking very bullish right now. Ethereum also looking really bullish. Looks like we're going to basically bounce off these interim lows and retest the 2007-ish to 2030 highs that we got up here. Honestly, I see Ethereum as crazy bullish right now. Love this pullback. I think we're heading to 3,000 Ethereum. We'll see. All right, so that's looking really good. In the meantime, what else do we have? Let's take a look at Abra. Let's take a look at the app. All right. So I'm going to bring up my demo here. I'm getting a lot of questions, a lot of basic questions about, can I use Abra to make large deposits or unlimited deposits? Why do you have limits? Let me address that issue. Okay, so here you see my alt. I'm going to basically press add money in the top left. You see, these are the deposit options specific to the US. Your country's options may vary. Under bank wire transfer, I have the ability to do unlimited wires as often as I want. Now, these are my wire instructions, so please don't use these. Use your wire instructions unless you want to send me money, which is fine if you do, but I prefer you set it to yourself. These are your wire instructions that you're going to see in your version of the app, and they let you do unlimited deposits into the app. No limits whatsoever. All you have to do is provide the normal know your customer so-called KYC requirements with your ID and whatever, and you'll be approved and you're up and running in no time. If you're in the US and you want to use your bank account, you can press bank ACH transfer, and we're actually raising the limits. And a lot of you are going to now see close to real-time deposits, and more of you will see real-time deposits in the coming weeks and with higher limits. Okay, so we're constantly pushing the envelope on getting you higher limits, faster deposit time. So that's the deposits. What's happening in the world of interest earning accounts? Let's check that out really quick. So interest rates are holding steady. We've got 10% rates on dollars. That includes True USD, USDC, PAX, Tether, all the USD stablecoins paying 10%. If you want to earn 10% on your dollars, just wire it into your Abra app, move it into the interest earning account, or if you've got stablecoins on an exchange, move them over. If you want to earn interest on your crypto and it's sitting on an exchange, just move it over to Abra. That's about 60% of our deposits right now are people leaving exchanges and coming to Abra. We love it. Why are they doing that? Why are you all doing that? Because you get interest on the deposits. You can quickly trade into not only Ethereum or stablecoins, but you can trade into over 100 different altcoins. And so I don't know of any other app that has that flexibility. Monday mornings have become my favorite time of the week. That sounds crazy. Why? Because I get a whole bunch of push messages that I'm getting free money with my interest payments. I get those messages every Monday morning, and our users love those messages. Okay, so we're running out of time. Let's go back to the trading window. I've got my Digibyte, my Comp, my Cardano, my Ethereum, my Bitcoin, of course. Let's take a look at Cardano really quick. Crazy run up in Cardano. Now, after this run up, we're consolidating, right? So you see, if I scroll my finger here on this on the chart, you can see the prices. We peaked out over here at $1.44 ish at the end of February. This has been an amazing run. The Mary upgrade to add smart contracts to Cardano seems to be a big success, a big hit. And Cardano represents potentially a viable competitor to Ethereum for all of those ERC20 and NFT ERC721 smart contracts that we all use and love now. So if that holds true, and we're in a really interesting, what I would call consolidation pattern here, that's bullish. That means that if this all works the way it looks like it could, we could easily see $2 Cardano. Sounds crazy, but it's not outside the question. As a matter of fact, I would not be surprised at all if it happens. Now, as I've told you many times, alts are volatile. I'm bullish on Cardano, but we could easily see 50-cent Cardano before we see $2 Cardano. So invest accordingly, okay? Don't put all your money on one altcoin. Please don't do it. But if you want to make reasonable bets, it's perfectly fine. That's what I do, okay? All right, so that's Cardano. Let's see. We talked about Ethereum. I think we're going to see a run in alts here. I think we're going to see more volatility in alts again as we make the next run towards 60,000 Bitcoin. Should be very interesting. Again, invest wisely. Don't invest what you can't afford to lose. And, if it's too much, take some off the table. If it's too stressful, take some off the table. But expect the volatility. Okay, so that's it for today. We will be with you tomorrow. I hope you like the 5-minute videos. Leave me comments at the bottom in the Twitter feed, in the Facebook feed. Let me know what you think. What else do you want to talk about tomorrow? And we'll integrate it into the show. In the meantime, have a great day, and we will see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching Crypto Bytes. Take care, everyone.